How's everybody doing tonight? These people over here having a good time? How about this table over here? Table number 1, you all having a good time? Awesome. Table number 3 here, the ladies. She's definitely having a good time right there. Table number 4 right here. All right, good job. And all the peripheral tables, even table number 9 back there in the back, good job. So we're gonna have a little contest tonight. Whoever makes the most noise at your table wins a prize, but I'm not gonna tell you what the prize is until the end of the night.
You have to be loud?
You have to be loud.
Okay.
You're required.
I got you.
We're doing a little thing. The name of the band tonight is Six Sons of a Gun. My name is JD. We got my actual legitimate cousin Vinnie over here playing guitar. And Bob Cullen from the Swampy Bayous of Driftwood, Texas, over here on the bass. And from San Marcos, Jake Adams back there on the drums. All right, not too loud because then I have to pay him more. So don't cheer for the drummer. He's nothing but trouble. So I like to do something I call the holler and the swaller. Usually I'll wait a couple songs, but I feel this really good energy from you guys. So everybody raise your glass real high and got your drink. Not just the people having a good time, everybody. When it counts to 3, we're gonna say yeehaw real loud and take a drink, okay? 1, 2, 3. Yeehaw! That sounded good. Here's a little song about prison. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Rolling around like a bend. Ain't seen that sunshine, don't remember when. I'm stuck at Folsom prison. Time keeps dragging on. That train keeps rolling on down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, don't be a good boy, don't you never play with guns. I shot a man in Louisville just to watch him die. That train keeps rolling, I hang my head and cry. Hang your head and cry, come on, Vinnie. Rich folks eating in that fancy dining car, probably drinking coffee and eating steak tartare. Well, I knew I had it coming. I know I can't be free. And that train keeps rolling. That's what tortures me. If they free me from this prison, if that railroad track was mine, I think I'd go living right down that line. Folsom prison, that's where I long to stay. That train keeps rolling, understanding. Boy, I played that silver ball from Soho down to Brighton. I must have played them all, but I've never seen anything like it in any amusement hall. That death coming line kid sure plays a mean pinball. I hear that train coming, it's rolling around that bend. Ain't seen that sunshine, don't remember when. I'm in prison, time keeps dragging on. And that train keeps rolling on down to San Antonio. Well, that train keeps rolling on down to San Antonio. Well, that train keeps rolling on down to San Antonio. So far, so good. This table right here is doing a really good job. So far, they're